Welcome back to Fungi in the Kitchen. On today's episode, we're going to make a taco-filled portabella. So here I've got 6 prepared portabella caps, and all I've done is scraped out the gills, put a little olive oil in there and some salt. So we're gonna set those aside. In a skillet, I have half a pound of sausage. You could use hamburger, ground turkey, whatever you want, but I have half a pound of sausage that I've just kind of seared. To this, I'm gonna add half a packet of taco seasoning. You can make your own, you can use whatever kind you want. We're gonna incorporate this. And to this, I'm gonna add half a can of corn, half a can of black beans, and half of a red onion. We're gonna mix this up well. And I'm gonna put a lid on this and let everything kind of get soft for around 5 minutes or so. Okay, this has been cooking for about 5 minutes. We're gonna add 2 cups of brown rice. You could use white rice, you could use orzo, anything you want. This recipe is super versatile. You could also make it meatless if you wanted to chop up cremini or use the portabella stems. Gonna mix all of that in. To this, we're gonna add 1 cup of salsa. You could add fresh tomatoes, diced tomatoes, anything you wanted at this point. Now that everything is good and mixed in, we're gonna turn our heat off and we're ready to start stuffing our portabellas. So we're just gonna take a spoon, fill these ports to the top like this, put them back on our baking sheet. I have my oven preheated to 375. So once we get these all filled, we'll just pop these in the oven for 15-20 minutes. You just want the port to be kind of soft and the cheese to be melted. We're gonna top them with cheese. Top them with cheese. You can use any kind of cheese that you want. This is just a Mexican blend cheese. I like a little heat, so to a few of these I'm going to add some jalapenos.